Stainless steel sculptures are highly durable and resistant to corrosion, making them suitable for outdoor installations. Stainless steel's sleek and modern appearance complements contemporary art and architectural designs. They require minimal maintenance and are easy to clean, ensuring long-lasting beauty. Stainless steel sculptures often feature a reflective surface, creating captivating interactions with light and surroundings. Sculptors can create stainless steel artworks in various sizes, from intricate tabletop pieces to large outdoor installations. Stainless steel sculptures can be finished with different textures, adding depth and visual interest. The enduring beauty of stainless steel sculptures makes them a timeless addition to art collections and public spaces.